Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the mechanism of C4 cycle or H and Slick cycle. When atmosphere CO2 enter into leaf through stomata and it is absorbed by mesophyll cell of leaves. When stomata are open at daytime, atmosphere CO2 enters in the form of bicarbonate ion. In mesophyll cells, a 3-carbon compound phosphoenol pyruvate present, which is a CO2 acceptor. Okay. And it is react with CO2 in the presence of PEPcase enzyme, full form phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. It means it is the carboxylative process, and PEP react with CO2 and convert into a 4-carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. That's why H and Slick cycle is known as C4 cycle. And this reaction occurs in mesophyll cells because in C4 plants Crane's anatomy is present. So, 2 type of cells present in leaf: bundle sheath, parenchyma, and mesophyll cells. Afterward, oxaloacetic acid reduced by NADPS2 and converted into malate or malic acid. Malic acid is also 4-carbon compound. Here 6Na DPS2 convert into or break down into 6Na DP plus. From mesophyll cells, malate or malic acid enter to or pass to bundle cell. In bundle cells, decarboxylation take place. It means one CO2 molecules release out from malate and malate convert into pyruvic acid. Or pyruvate. Releasing of one CO2 molecule, a 3-carbon compound, pyruvic acid is formed. Then 6-NADP plus convert into 6-NADPH2. And it is fully enzymatic reaction. There is malate dehydrogenase enzyme, then pyruvic acid passed back to mesophyll cells and form phosphoenol pyruvate in the presence of PODK enzyme. Full form: phospho orthophosphate dikinase enzyme. Using 6 ATP molecules which convert into 6 AMP plus 6 inorganic phosphate. Here 6 AMP is equivalent energy to 12 ATP. Okay. And releasing CO2 molecules enter into C3 cycle and in bundle cells CO2 receptor is RUBP which run the C3 cycle in the presence of Rubisco enzyme. Okay, let's see. Atmosphere CO2 or bicarbonate ions enter into mesophyll cells through stomata, and this CO2 is received by a 3-carbon compound which named is phosphoenol pyruvate. Full form: it is 3-carbon. Phosphoenol pyruvate react with CO2 molecules in the presence of phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme and form a 4-carbon compound is named is oxaloacetic acid. So in C4 cycle, first stable compound is 4-carbon. That's why H and Slake cycle is known as C4 cycle. Next, oxaloacetic acid reduced to malate by NADPH2 in the presence of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. Then 6 NADPH2 convert into 6 NADP plus. From mesophyll cells, malate or malic acid pass to bundle cis cells, and in bundle cis cells decarboxylation process take place. Decarboxylation means carbon release from compound. So one CO2 molecule released from malate or malic acid, then a 3-carbon compound pyruvic acid is formed, and it is also reductional process, and 6 NADP plus convert into 6 NADPH2. Releasing CO2 in the presence of RUBP carboxylase or Rubisco enzyme. Here RUBP is the CO2 receptor in bundle cis cells. Then C3 cycle start and formation of hexose sugar. And pyruvic acid beg to pass in mesophyll cells and convert into phosphoenol pyruvate in the presence of phosphoenol orthophosphate dikinase enzyme using 6 ATP molecules and convert into 6 AMP plus 6 inorganic phosphate. These 6 AMP molecules are equivalent to 12 ATP molecules. So it is the outline of C4 cycle. In mesophyll cells, CO2 fixation by PEPcase or phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme, and in bundle cell CO2 fixation by Rubisco enzyme. We start the C3 cycle for hexose sugar formation. Now ATP account or NADPS2 account in C4 cycle. Here 6 NADPS2 are breakdown in 6 NADP plus, and in bundle cells 6 NADP plus convert into 6 NADPS2. So these are cancel out and not count in the net production of C4 cycle. As you know that in C3 cycle 18 ATP plus 12 NADPS2 are used. So 12 ATP plus 18 ATP, total 30 ATP and 12 NADPS2 are used in C4 cycle. So in this cycle, for one carbon 5 ATP molecules are needed. Output of ATP and NADPS2 in C4 cycle. As you know that in mesophyll cell ATP used in bundle sheath parenchyma. Due to C3 cycle 18 ATP plus 12 NADPS2 are utilized. So total ATP molecules and NADPS2 in C4 cycle 30 ATP plus 12 NADPS2. For one carbon 5 ATP molecules are needed, and for 6 carbon 30 ATP. For one carbon molecule fixation 2 NADPS2 are needed in C4 cycle. So it is the net production of C4 cycles, and it is also beneficial because ATP and NADPS2 accounts are more compared to C3 cycles, and C4 plants start C4 cycle 8 30 to 45 degrees Celsius temperature. It means C4 plants required higher temperature. C4 cycle activate at low CO2 concentration. Third property, photorespiration. Photorespiration, it is also known as C2 cycle, is absent. So it saves the loss of carbon number, because C2 cycle run into C3 cycle, and it is completed in 3 cell organelles: chloroplast, mitochondria, proteasomes. These are important property of C4 cycles. And first table, compound is oxaloacetic acid, which is 4 carbon. Atmosphere CO2 acceptor is RUBP, phosphoenol pyruvate, which is 3 carbon. Okay. Now C4 cycle topic has been completed. In tomorrow class